Welcome to today's Daily Edge. Have a look, see what you think. If you like it, please subscribe.
And if you want the Daily Edge, then you can get it on the links below, sent directly to your door every morning.
We are waking up to a severe collision of macro forces. Middle East military escalation is slamming into exceptionally strong U.S. economic data. This June 4th dashboard captures the resulting tension. The central sentiment gauge is pegged deep in the red at negative 75%. Driving that fear on the left, U.S. and Iranian forces exchanged severe strikes, pushing risk assets sharply down. But on the right side of the board, domestic data is firing in the exact opposite direction. ADP private payrolls hit 122,000, crushing the 75K consensus, while the ISM Services PMI climbed to 54.5, with its price gauge hitting a 4-year high. For traders, this creates a deeply conflicted environment. The headlines demand a flight to safety, while the economic reality signals accelerating domestic growth, pulling capital in opposing directions. To filter that noise, we rely on this technical alignment matrix. It strips out the headline panic and gives us hard parameters for where momentum is actually flowing. Surviving a session with opposing macro drivers means letting go of traditional assumptions. We have to map out the exact catalysts behind these technical signals to find the few remaining clean setups. The first place those assumptions fail is in the metals market. Despite the active military conflict, the matrix shows absolute sell signals for both gold and silver. This breakdown highlights the severity of that haven failure. Gold is down over 1%, drifting to its March lows, while silver has dropped nearly 2.5%, approaching a 2-week floor. The force suppressing these metals is the bond market. Hot U.S. economic data is pushing 10-year Treasury yields toward 4.5%. Rising real yields and a strong U.S. dollar heavily increase the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding bullion, overriding war headlines. The energy sector, however, is responding very differently to the geopolitical stress. Checking WTI crude on the matrix, the momentum is mixed. The asset sits above its 1-hour moving average, generating a cautious sell signal that conflicts with its intraday highs. Physical supply threats are overriding the charts. WTI crude touched an intraday high of $97 on fears of vessel disruptions through the Strait of Hormuz. Compounding this squeeze is a massive 8 million barrel U.S. inventory draw, the 6th consecutive week of declining stockpiles. What we are seeing is the math of high interest rates defeating the psychology of fear. The rising cost of capital forces traders to short traditional havens and shift their risk premiums exclusively into the physical commodities under immediate threat. That same cost of capital is creating a broad, sustained bleed across global equities. This daily heat map shows heavy red across the board. The S&P 500 has officially snapped its 9-day winning streak, dropping 56 points. The specific catalyst dragging the U.S. session down is micro-level underperformance in tech. Broadcom is down 13% on a Q2 revenue miss, and CrowdStrike dropped 10% on weak forward guidance. Over in Europe, the retreat is even sharper. The DAX 40 has erased all the gains from Tuesday's peace deal rally, shedding over 328 points. The macro trigger here is regional inflation accelerating to 3.2%, driven primarily by sticky service sector costs. That data locks in the monetary policy path, cementing the case for an aggressive ECB rate hike at their June 11th meeting. The UK market is facing its own structural pressure, trapping the FTSE 100 in a tight defensive range. Rising gilt yields and hotter shop price inflation are squeezing UK equities, compounded by mounting political uncertainty in Westminster. Looking back at the alignment matrix, there's a glaring contradiction. The DAX 40 flashes a green buy master signal. The system is positioning for a volatile short covering bounce if the ECB delivers a hawkish surprise or if Middle East tensions escalate further. Traders are caught in a vice. Decelerating earnings growth in the U.S. is colliding with hawkish central bank reactions in Europe, forcing capital out of broad risk assets and into cash. To find an unencumbered trend today, we have to look past the gridlock in equities and commodities and isolate a clean macro current. This overview identifies our desk's clearest signal for the session: broad yen weakness. The driver is stark policy divergence. Japanese economic data continues to deteriorate, while the U.S. holds its rate steady between 3.5 and 3.75%. Because U.S. data surprises have aggressively priced out near-term Fed rate cuts, the yield differential between the two countries is widening further. The technicals validate the thesis. The USD-JPY pair shows full alignment, trading firmly above both its 4-hour and 1-hour moving averages. We can apply that same weakness to the British pound for a secondary play. The pound remains resilient against the yen because that hot UK shop price inflation keeps Bank of England rate expectations hawkish, giving the GBP-JPY pair full upward alignment. In contrast, the matrix signals a clean sell for the Aussie dollar. A firm US dollar and softer global risk appetite are weighing heavily on Chinese demand, pulling the AUD-USD pair down. But executing the USD-JPY long requires strict attention to a specific headline risk. As the price approaches the 160 psychological level, the probability of verbal or direct intervention by the Bank of Japan increases significantly. When geopolitical fear and domestic inflation paralyze traditional assets, isolating explicit central bank policy divergence provides the highest probability path for deploying capital. The macro analysis tells us which assets to target, but the technical terminal determines the precise moment to pull the trigger. We use this live 4-hour and 1-hour EMA trend screener to filter out intraday noise and pinpoint our entries. You have to adhere strictly to these moving average trends. If you try to trade the raw geopolitical headlines, algorithmic volatility will chop your positions to pieces. Furthermore, this entire macro thesis operates on a ticking clock. Looking at the volatility radar, we've already navigated the early European data and President Lagarde's scheduled speech. The single most critical threat to today's alignment matrix arrives at 12:30 p.m. with the U.S. initial jobless claims. This specific data point carries massive weight because it is the final significant labor signal we receive before Friday's major non-farm payrolls report. If the jobless claims number contradicts the strong ADP print from this morning and breaks the current high-yield narrative, the entire technical setup will instantly invalidate. Protect your capital by managing your risk and adjusting your stops ahead of that 12:30 print. Professional trading relies on mapping the current crosscurrents into a strict, mathematically defensible matrix and having the discipline to walk away the moment the data changes.
You can get the Daily Edge sent to your email every single morning. Just click the links below and you can get that every morning, Northern European session, and if you're in America, the USA update twice a week in the afternoons.